Both of these macros can be used to align pieces on screen by their stripe line if they are arranged at a slight angle. Depending on the macro you select, this can be done either horizontally or vertically. Let's take a look at Align Piece Vertical to Stripe Line. Start the macro. Select the pieces. The macro analyzes the pieces and selects the stripe line with the lowest matching number for orientation. Piece by piece, you are prompted to either confirm the alignment by clicking left, rotate the pieces by 180 degrees, clicking with the middle, or returning the piece to the original position using a right click. Check the dialog box for clicking prompts. Once all pieces have been rotated, the macro ends.